simplify fully 4a to the power of 4 to the power of 1/2 divided by 6a squared b cubed over 15a cubed b. So if we write that out, so we'll deal with it bit by bit. So ab to the m is the same as a to the m, b to the m, and a to the half is the same as the square root of a. So we need to take the square root of 4 and the square root of a to the 4. So the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of a to the 4, we need to do 4 times a half, which gives me a squared. We'll keep the division sign, so drawing a line there, 3 goes into 15 5 times and into 6 2 times, so we'll write that as 2/5. Then we're going to have a squared divided by b cubed, which is just going to leave an a on the bottom, and then we're going to have b cubed divided by b, which gives me b squared. So now we've got 2a squared divided by 2b squared over 5a. So now we'll do the actual division. So when we're dividing by fractions, we change the sign and then invert the second fraction. Okay, and we can now cancel that 2 with that 2. And write your fractions one above the other. So you're going to have a squared times 5a, which is 5a cubed, and then over b squared. So this is the final answer, 5a cubed over b squared. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify a fraction, a division of two algebraic fractions using indices. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.